So I'm now just going to bring the wiring together. Included in this mix is your main fan as well. It needs to be powered off the line in, just because we want that fan to be running all the time. So I'm just going to cut the little plug off the end there. Give that a little bit of a strip there. Twist. And that's going to be ready just to lock into these two here. There's two separate lines on this board. One is a 10 amp and the other is a 5 amp. The 10 amp is these two ports here, and the 5 amp is these two, so the 10 amp being the inboard ones. And you can see some markings on the board. There's a positive on this one and a negative on this one. So the positive goes in here. I'm just going to grab the positive line on that fan and put that in here and put that in the most inboard socket and do that up. I'll just check to make sure that that's secure, which it is. Now we're going to jump the 5 amp positive line from the 10 amp. I'll just pop that in there, a little jumper in there, and do that up. And we're going to do the same with the negative. Do that up. And now we can remove that so that we can maneuver things around. So it looks like that.